Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video, I'm going to show you Samsung A07 remove the pin lock. If you forgot your pattern lock, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain. Don't skip the video, please watch. Too many times incorrect the attempt. So first of all, power off your phone, click the emergency mode, press volume down and power and connect to the PC. After screen off, suddenly press the volume up and power. And wait 1 second. Hold volume up and power button. After logo is coming. Now release the power key and hold volume up button. Oh my goodness, recovery mode is showing. Now select the wipe data factory reset. Press the down button and select wipe data factory reset and press the power button and select factory data reset and press the power button. Your data is always delete. Remember one thing, if you try this method, your data is always delete. Photos, videos always delete. Be careful and press the power button and reboot system now. Your phone is done. Normally set up your phone and click the start button, and if you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel, and every day I upload a useful video for you, and see you by next video.